Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to install mods in Friday Night Funkin, and this would be a full guide in 2026. So how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to this website gamebanana.com/games/8694. Once you're here, you'll be brought to this web page. Now here is all the available mods for Friday Night Funkin. So just select your preferred mod. For my case, I'm gonna go with this one. Now once you click on that, just scroll down halfway through and then there you'll see files. Just select the latest version and then click on manual download. Once it completes downloading, it would be a zip file, so you have to unzip it or extract it. Once you do this, you will find these three folders. Make sure to copy these folders. Once you copy them, open Friday Night Funkin game directory and get over to the assets folder. Just paste the files in here and then you're good to go. Then you can launch your game and check if your mod has been installed, and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.